Let me ask you something personal. Are you sleeping as you should? Not just closing your eyes or collapsing, but deep sleeping, uninterrupted, healing sleep. If the answer is no, you're not alone. We're in a silent epidemic of poor sleep, high stress, bad lighting, toxic materials, and bedrooms that look like hotels catalogs but feel like a prison. You're exhausted, but here's the twist. What if I told you your bedroom could seduce you to sleep, rebuild your focus, and maybe even save your relationship? I didn't get into design because I loved picking out curtains. I got into this because I was experiencing exhaustion in my bedroom. I was anxious, my relationship was suffering, I wasn't rested, I wasn't present. And one day I thought, if I feel this way, what if everyone else feels the same way? This may shock you, but design isn't about style. It's about nervous system regulation. The color on your walls can trigger your cortisol. The wrong lighting can mess with your melatonin. Cheap sheets can make you sweat through the night. And that bed, it should feel like it's hugging your soul. That's why I started doing things differently. I don't only design rooms. I design temples of rest. Sleep-conscious labs wrapped in luxury. Every light bulb, thread count, layout, and texture I choose. It's not to impress your friends, it's to rewire your body for recovery. Fact: couples who sleep better fight less. They're more open, more loving, and 3 times more likely to have satisfying sex life. But you won't get that from a Pinterest board and a beige duvet. You need an expert. You need direction. One research team even found that poor sleep increases divorce risk by 45%. So no, this isn't about furniture. This is about your marriage, your career, your sanity. This isn't fluff. This is neurological architecture. The right space can lower your cortisol, balance your hormones, sleep longer, wake up ready to run towards your life instead of away from it. And yes, I charge $1,000 for a consultation. For that price, I give you a sleep strategy built around your body. And space. No fluff, no trend chasing. Just the blueprint for the best night's sleep you've had in years. I help you design the room that restores your brain, body, and peace. In a world where burnout is normal, peace is priceless. I've helped people fall in love again only by improving their sleep. You know, the Egyptians prepared their sleep spaces as sacred. They believed the soul left the body during sleep. The Victorians, they made bedrooms into status theaters, gorgeous but cold. Mid-century America, they shrank their bedrooms, lit it up with hospital bulbs, made it purely functional. And now, most people sleep on Amazon memory foam, which only remembers pain more than comfort. You deserve better. Let me tell you what you don't need. You don't need 12 accent pillows. You don't need TikTok wall panels. You don't need a floating shelf shaped like a moon. You need your sanity back. You need a bed that gives your spine a standing ovation. A room that welcomes your soul at night and releases you in the morning. You need a bedroom that's just not beautiful, but biologically right. That's what I do. I built environments that let your body do what it was designed to do. Heal, restore, connect. You've tried it the cheap way. You've tried it the fast way. The influencer way. The this will do for now way. Now, try it the right way. Hire someone who doesn't just decorate. Hire someone who restores you, because If you fix your bedroom, you fix your sleep. And when you fix your sleep, you get your life back. What's more seductive than peace? What's more luxurious than love? What's more powerful than waking up ready to live again? Your room is the start of it all, and I'm the one who can help you do it the right way. Are you ready to begin?